Today, let's talk about the scientific method, the process scientists use to solve problems and discover new things. But let's talk about it with a twist. How about I solve my problem using the scientific method? Step 1. Identification of problem. Identification of the problem is the first step in the scientific method. It means clearly stating what you want to find out or solve. It's usually written as a question. So, my identification of problem is, why is my room always dirty? Step 2. Formulation of hypothesis. Hypothesis is the second step in the scientific method. A hypothesis is an educated guess or possible answer to your question. It can be tested through an experiment. So these are my 3 hypotheses. Hypothesis 1. Maybe I'm not organizing my things properly. Hypothesis 2. Maybe because I didn't clean my room regularly. 3. Maybe because I keep on getting my room dirty. Step 3. Experimentation. Experimentation is the third step in the scientific method. Experimentation is the process of testing your hypothesis by doing a planned activity. You observe what happens and collect data. 1. I organize my things properly. 2. I cleaned my room every day. 3. I stopped throwing my things around. Step 4. Collection of data. Collection of data is the fourth step in the scientific method. It means gathering information or observations during the experiment. This can be in the form of numbers, measurements, or notes. 1. I saw my room still messy even if I organized my things. 2. When I cleaned my room every day, it stayed clean. 3. I still made messes even if I tried to stop. Step 5. Analysis of data. Analysis of data is the fifth step in the scientific method. It means studying the data you collected to find patterns or results. This helps you understand what happened in the experiment. 1. Organizing was not enough to keep it clean. 2. Regular cleaning really helped. 3. Avoiding habits didn't always work. Step 6. Generation of conclusion. Generation of conclusion is the final step in the scientific method. It means making a final statement about what you learned from the experiment. You decide if your hypothesis was correct or not. I conclude that hypothesis 2 is correct, that not cleaning my room regularly makes it dirty. And that's the scientific method. Identification of problem, formulation of hypothesis, experimentation, collection of data, analysis of data, and lastly, but not the least, generation of conclusion. Science helps us understand the world, just one question at a time. Thanks for watching!